Before Guidewheel, we really didn't have concrete information to help us pinpoint our inefficiencies. My name is Jorge Chao. I'm the plant manager. I've been with the company since 2019. Complete the install within a week, so it was pretty straightforward. We started seeing results immediately. It was an eye-opener for us when we started seeing the data. I think maximizing on our runtime, that would be our biggest win, and maximizing on productivity as well. Before we started utilizing Guidewheel, we were running in the low 60s in our runtime. Now with the help of Guidewheel, we are currently in the low 80s. Really opened my eyes to see where we're at, how we started back in November, and where we're at now, and how we've improved, how Guidewheel has really given us that direction. It's changed the way I've managed the plant with my team.